Are you an Invest Northern Ireland client in manufacturing or tradable services? Is your business ready to expand beyond Northern Ireland or sell more in the Republic of Ireland and Great Britain? Then Invest NI's Grow Beyond programme is for you. Grow Beyond is a hands-on export training programme for companies currently selling in or wanting to sell into Northern Ireland's closest export markets. 3 half-day practical workshops and 5 days of one-on-one mentoring will equip you with the tools you need to enter or further develop within these markets. The programme includes 3 workshops: targeting and researching your export market, developing your export market, and identifying and managing distribution channels and partners. Targeting and researching your export market will show you how to conduct research and use its findings to select market segments that best fit your products or services. Developing your export market will help with the decisions you need to make to enter and develop the market, including pricing, route to market, and promotion. Identifying and managing distribution channels and partners will look at the value of using resellers and partners to develop the market. It will address profiling and identifying suitable partners, formalising alliances through legal documentation, and evaluating their performance on an ongoing basis. 5 days of one-on-one mentoring scheduled around the training will help you tackle issues specific to your business. This tailored support may include advice on how to carry out research, investigate routes to market, identify in-market partners, research tender opportunities, or improve sales and sales management processes. Through the programme, you'll develop a trade action plan and receive feedback from Invest NI experts who will help you on your way to grow beyond Northern Ireland. It's easy to sign up. Simply register your interest with your Invest NI client executive. Take the next step in the story of your business expansion. Get involved in Grow Beyond.